Hello everyone, my name is Silvia Mordini and I'm here today to talk about how to manage your life and business in 2023. With the start of the new year, many of us have resolutions for our lives and our businesses. Big dreams and aspirations are in play, which can be really exciting and overwhelming at the same time. But it's always important to remember to take things one step at a time and focus on what truly matters. That's why today I want to discuss how to successfully manage your life and business in 2023 to keep burnout at bay. The first step is to prioritize. It's important to designate the tasks that truly matter and work on those first. Keeping your goals clear in sight will help you stay on track and organized. Next, establishing boundaries is key. This applies to both personal and business lives. It can be hard to take a break or say no, but it's necessary in order to stay productive and avoid exhaustion. Next, delegate tasks if possible. Utilizing people or tools to do a certain task can help you stay on track without feeling overwhelmed or exhausted. And fourth, have a solid plan in place to manage your time and energy efficiently. This means you'll have time for rest and relaxation, which is so important for maintaining balance in life and business. Finally, celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Achieving your goals is always exciting, so share your successes with others and make sure to congratulate yourself too. In conclusion, managing your life and business in 2023 doesn't have to be stressful. With dedication, focus, and self-care, you can stay motivated and productive throughout the year. By prioritizing, establishing boundaries, delegating tasks, having a plan, and celebrating your successes along the way, you can manage your life and business in 2023 without burning out. Thanks for listening. I hope this inspired you. DM me if you want to chat for a free clarity call. I'd love that. From my heart to your heart, have a beautiful day.